Hi, I'm Nikki Jabor, and in my vegetable garden, I practice companion planting. What does that mean? Well, companion planting is simply the act of pairing two or more plants for some sort of benefit. Companion planting isn't new, it's been practiced for hundreds of years, but traditionally it's been based on garden lore. Today we base companion planting on scientific research, which is shown in the new book by Jessica Walliser, Plant Partners. Let's talk about companion planting. So, what are the benefits of companion planting? Companion planting can build soil, reduce weeds, deter insect pests, suppress diseases, attract beneficial and predatory insects, and bring more pollinators to the garden. In my vegetable garden, my main goals with companion planting are to reduce and deter pests, as well as attract pollinators. Let's talk a bit more about how we can use companion planting to achieve these two goals. Reducing pests is one of the more common objectives of companion planting. Certain plant partners, like nasturtiums, can act as trap crops to pests like aphids. So if I plant them on the edges of my raised beds, I'll often find colonies of aphids on the nasturtiums, but rarely do I find them on my vegetable plants. Another companion planting strategy for reducing garden pests is to add plants that mask the scent of the vegetable plant. This can foil the insect pest. For example, I like to plant basil near my tomato plants and nasturtiums or calendula with my squash and pumpkin plants. Including a wide variety of plants in a food garden increases diversity, and this is important because a garden that includes many plant species provides food and habitat for a wider selection of good bugs. I also practice companion planting to invite beneficial insects and pollinators to my vegetable garden. Beneficial insects like ladybugs feed on pests like aphids, and pollinators like bees can help increase yield in a home vegetable garden. And for those reasons, I plant lots of different types of flowers in my raised beds. I have annual flowers like sweet alyssum, sunflowers, cosmos, and zinnias, as well as herbs like parsley and dill. I also have perennials planted around the perimeter of my vegetable garden to draw in as many good bugs as possible. When adding companion plants to your garden, remember that it's called companion planting because two or more types of plants are placed close together. That said, you don't want to crowd them where they have to compete for light, water, and nutrients, but do plant them close enough that you can see the benefits of the pairing. The companion plant can be interplanted in a bed with the desired vegetable. You can add it to the edge of a raised bed, or you can alternate rows of the two plants. Even container gardeners can take advantage of the benefits of companion planting. If you're growing crops like tomatoes, kale, or peppers in pots, underplant them with flowers like sweet alyssum or nasturtiums. The biggest point to remember about companion planting is to practice diversity. The more types of vegetables, flowers, and herbs you plant in your food garden, the more species of beneficial insects and pollinators you'll welcome. Happy growing!